Hello everyone, this is Ben Mayo, your Vice President of Global Sales Systems, back with a quick video on how to use the autoresponders or email campaigns that are built into the Mannatech Plus mobile app. After you've logged into the mobile app, if you'll make sure to pull down in the middle of the screen, you'll see that the circle is rotating up there on the top. That is to make sure that you have the most recent information loaded into the app. This is refreshing the app when you pull down at the middle. The categories are separated different for each person that's logged into the Mannatech Plus app. I have my autoresponders as the last category to be able to see. So I've scrolled down to autoresponders. What you'll see here is a list of autoresponders that coincide with the personal web pages, as well as a few email drip campaigns that were created by the corporate office to help with growing your business or onboarding a new associate, to make sure that they have at their fingertips the most current information to help them in their success in getting started and building a business. But if you look at the Mannatech Gen Max all the way through the Mannatech Opportunity, these are emails that are sent out after someone has reviewed or requested information on your personal web page. So the Gen Max personal web page, this email would get sent out to them if they request more information. What I want to focus on today is the Mannatech first 11 days in business. If I click on that right there in the bottom middle, this is what shows up next. If I click on like, that's going to put it in my favorites category so that I can have quick access to it when I log into the Mannatech Plus app. It'll be listed on the very top of my app. Next, I want to show you how to preview the 11 emails in this first 11 days with Mannatech. If I click on preview, you'll get a listing of each of the 11 days. If I'm going to select on day 3 in this case, just for example, and this is what that email says. If I want to make changes to it, that is possible. I just need to log into the Mannatech Plus desktop app, and it's there that you can make a new email campaign or revise an existing email campaign and save it as a new campaign that is selected. I'm going to click done on this, and done once again to go back to the page where you can share. If I click on the bottom left on email, if I'm ready to go ahead and share this, first thing, I can select the recipient. I'm going to use the magnifying glass here and find myself. I'm in here 3 times. The reason being is I have 3 different email addresses set up for myself, so I do show as 3 different contacts. I'm going to select the Gmail account. So I have a recipient selected. Next, the campaign messages. You can select what email the recipient receives first. So 1 out of 11 shows that there's the first out of 11 emails will be sent on February 23rd. If I click here on that line, I can choose to start with a different email. I could choose to start with day 5. And that would then be the first email that is sent out through the system. If I don't want it to start at day 5, I just go ahead and click back on day 1 and click the Start Here button. So this allows you to select a different email than the very start, day 1. You can maneuver and pick a different day if you'd like. Clicking done on that. If you want to have the email start later, let's say you want it to start on a Saturday versus have it start today, which is Friday, all I need to do is change the date to tomorrow, and I'm all set. Now I would just click send, and I would start receiving this email campaign of 11 emails tomorrow. If you'd like to request any more videos, please click on the settings button and scroll down to support. Once you've got into the support setting, click on request a feature. It's here that you can send us an email and request a specific video or asset to be loaded into the Mannatech Plus system. I'm going to cancel out. Anyhow, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out through the request a feature. If there's problems with the system as a whole, report a problem. That support feature is something that is useful for being able to stay in touch with us if there's any issues that you run into with the Mannatech Plus mobile app. Hopefully this short video has been of help, and hope you have a great day. Thank you.